Hey guys, welcome back to Maga Family Channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make an anti-stress lavender putty. Let's get started. So it's going to be half cup of flour, half cup of salt, a teaspoon of cream of tartar, a couple drops of flour coloring, lavender scent, purple glitter, and a teaspoon of oil. Okay, sorry guys, but we had to stop the video just to get our boiling water because it's one thing we did forget. But now I will be adding a teaspoon of oil. Now I'll add our coloring. I'm now gonna do a little bit at first. Now I'll add water. We added enough water till we thought we got the right texture, which does feel like, I think in our last video, the pink putty, cloud putty, stress reliever, but now we'll add, I think, about 4 drops of lavender. Okay. Three. Oh. It smells good. I can smell it. And then I'll add some glitter to it too right now. Now I'll be using my hands. Just. So this stuff, since it is more of a clay texture, it won't stretch as much. But can I just say, this stuff, it smells real good. It's very sparkly. And since it is a lavender smell, it is supposed to make you relax. And I just need to say, I feel so relaxed right now. Like, this stuff is my favorite out of all of them. Even the pink one. The pink one, I was really stretchy, but this one, it's just better. It's more like a clay texture. I like it all. Feels good. And also, you guys, go check out my other video where I'm also making anti-stress putty, but it's strawberry scented and it's a little bit different of a recipe. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Hope you subscribe and hit the notification button down below if that red button is not clicked. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.